Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to calculate area of circle, area of rectangle, volume of cylinder. So we know basic numerical operation and we know how to get user data from as user input. Using this, we can calculate everything. Say for example, we want to calculate the area of a rectangle. What are the parameters necessary? Base and height. Let's say base equal to float input enter base of rectangle. We have converted the user data into float. Typecasting. We did typecasting. Height sorry right length and breadth. Since we want to find LENGTS length, remove comment, length equal to enter the length of rectangle, length breadth DTS, breadth equal to input enter the DTS breadth of rectangle. Typecast to float. Area, let's define a variable area equal to half base, only base and height, sorry, in rectangle length into the area dts breadth. Spelling, now it's okay. Print area. C, enter the length of rectangle 10 centimeter, breadth of rectangle 5 centimeter, area is 50. Now we can format the result. The area of rectangle since it is a float value, we have to use comma instead of plus to concatenate. Now see the result. 10, breadth 5, breadth 5. Let's include it. Length 10, breadth 5. The area of rectangle is 50.0. There was a gap here, that's why it was given wrong result. So thank you very much. We have completed how to calculate area of any shape. For example, if we want to calculate the area of a triangle, in that case we need base and height. Base, float, and base, height, equal to float, input, and height. So area half into base into height. Now let's run this code. This is the previous one. 10, 5, area of rectangle. What is the area of height? Here we can separate it by 10. We have separated. The base is, say for example, 10, height, give some space, height, 5, area equal to, we have written the equation of area. Now print the area of triangle is since it is float value, we use comma. Rectangle area 10, 50, enter base 10, height 5, the area of triangle is 25. So that's it today. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned how to find area of triangle, area of rectangle. We can also find the volume. In that case, you have to take three parameters: length, breadth, and height for rectangle.